Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I came up with this beautiful knitting pattern for beginners. This pattern is very easy to learn and requires basic knowledge of knitting. You can use this pattern for sweaters, scarves or winter hats, etc. This pattern has very good texture as you can see here. It's ideal for any kind of project. This is how it looks on the back side. I'm using here this 4 mm knitting needles and 4 ply wool. As I always say, you can use any yarn and needle you have. So if you are ready with the yarn and needle, then follow along. This is a 2-row repeat design. It's ideal for a beginner who recently started knitting. For this pattern, you have to cast on multiple of 2 number of stitches. I have casted a good amount of stitches here. These are 50 stitches. Just ensure you have even stitches. Once you have casted on, you can start with row 1 for the pattern. So for row 1, we are on the right side, knit 1, then take the yarn front side, then knit 2 stitches. Okay, I have taken the yarn front and I am knitting the stitch. Okay, and this is the second knit. Now we have 4 stitches on the needle because of the yarn on the front. Pass this third last stitch over the first 2 stitches like this. Now repeat. So yarn in the front, knit 1, then knit 2. Now pick that yarn and pass it over the 2 stitches which we knitted. For the beginners, I am showing it again couple of times here. Repeat from start till the end, and I will see you at the end how to close this row. This is how the pattern looks. Repeat the same and you will be amazed with the results. This row is very simple. Pattern is flexible for any project like sweater for gents, ladies and babies, hats or scarves, blankets, etc. I do have posted another beginner friendly knitting pattern. I would take this opportunity to thank all the viewers for great response and support. If you have not yet seen that video, then you can find it here on upper right corner, and I have added link in the description as well. I am at the end of this row now, so we will complete couple of times same thing again. In the end, we have 1 stitch left here. We will knit it. This is how we complete the first row. This is how it looks. how easy it is. So flip back. Now we will be on the wrong side for the second row. You can see second row is purl stitch. We have to purl all the stitches present on our needle like this. I am at the end of row 2 and we will be finishing it by purling all the stitches. And yes, we are done with the pattern. This is how we repeat it. We have to repeat same 2-row pattern for whatever length, whatever rows we want as per the project we are working on, like this. You must have noticed how easy the pattern is. Please do try it. I hope you are able to follow easily along with me. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section. If you like this kind of content, then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.